Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to verify Mercari account. So for you to be able to earn the profile verification badge, this is a step-by-step guide to you. So to get your profile verified, you'll just have to go to the trust verification section on your profile. So from here, you can see what you have already completed and you still needs to be verified. So you'll need to complete all the other verifications to earn a new badge. So here are some of the requirements for this. You need to add a verified email, a verified SMS, and a verified ID. So Facebook is not required for the badge, but it's also helpful to increase marketplace trust and safety. So this is what it should look like. So on Facebook in here is just optional. So for email in here, to verify using email, you can just go to profile, trust verification, and just click onto email, and then you should be able to receive a new verification email for that. And please to know that the link is only valid for 24 hours. And now for SMS, to verify your phone number, just enter it during the sign up process. Go to profile, trust and verification, and then phone number, and you should be able to receive an automated message with a 4-digit verification code. So if you haven't received a text message, you could also request to receive your verification code by a phone call for that. And lastly, for the government ID, to verify your government ID, go to profile, trust verification, and then government ID. And you should be able to see these two steps: to upload your ID and then wait for verification. Now, if you offer a Facebook as well, which is an optional, so you should go to profile, trust verification, and Facebook, and then just log in onto your Facebook account to link it to Mercari account. And that's just basically it on to verifying Mercari account. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.